families here. And you can see right now we have put a lot. Hi guys! Today we're gonna make churros. And I'm gonna tell all of the recipes right over here on the table. So first is we have sugar. I don't really know how to say cinnamon. This is vanilla. This is egg, water, flour, salt, butter, sugar, and an empty bowl. And so that's all of the ingredients right now on the table. So let's start. As you can see, I already prepared the oil for our churros, and now we're gonna do the dough. So first ingredient is butter. Like that. Now we're gonna mix this. My sister is gonna mix it.
You need to melt first the butter, like this. When it's all melted, then you put the water. Now we're just gonna wait until this is melted.
Now it's all melted. Now we're gonna put the water. Now we're gonna mix it. After the water, we're gonna put sugar. Put Nana there. Now we mix. After the sugar, put the salt. Nana, can you put the salt? Like that. Now we're gonna mix it. After the salt, we're gonna put the flour. Oh my god. Whoa.
So many.
Yeah, that's so many. Now we're gonna mix it. Now, if you do you want to mix it or I should mix it?
I want to mix it.
Should we mix it? Okay, I can mix it then. Mix. All you need to do is mix it until it looks like this. It's like dough now. As you can see, I put the dough in the bowl and let it cool down for a little bit. And we already cooled this down, so we're going to put egg. Now we're gonna put 1 teaspoon of vanilla. It's not the color, Nana.
What is this?
Vanilla. Okay, now I'm gonna put it. Now we're gonna mix it in our electric mixer. Now we're not gonna mix it that much. We're gonna use our electric. Whoa! It's stuck like this, but you can take off it with a spoon or a fork. Now we're gonna put it here inside, and then we're ready to fry our churros. Yay! Yeah, I know. Put more. Ready to fry. Woo! Oh. We're gonna put little now. So I too long. Woo. Now we're just gonna wait until they are like brown and a little bit like this. You can see my whole family is here, and you can see right now we have put a lot. There's cook. We need to wait. Wait. Matthew, wait. We have to wait.
Oh.
It's like no.
No.
It's like no. Now all the cinnamon and the sugar are mixed. We're gonna put all of the syrup here. Just like French fries, but they're really yummy. I think that will be enough for now. I'm gonna mix it. Wash your hands before you mix it. May natin talagyan na. Why? I don't know. Some churros you can also put on Nutella, which my sister is doing. Now when it's all done, now you can dip it on Nutella. And by the way, thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video and subscribe and share. Bye bye!